The former administrator of Henrico Health and Rehab has been disciplined by the state after an investigation revealed findings of retaliation and failures to protect residents. As we've previously reported, the East End nursing home has been identified by regulators as Virginia's lowest rated facility due to a pattern of serious quality issues in recent years. State Health Commissioner Dr. Karen Shelton told lawmakers last week that the health department has a particular focus on the facility due to its poor performance and is now increasing its level of oversight.
If there are still remain out of compliance, there are increasingly severe and progressive enforcement actions that can be taken. They cannot graduate from the program until they have achieved certain survey results, and if they do not meet the requirements, CMS will terminate their provider agreement.
Now, we've obtained a case decision by the Board of Long-Term Care Administrators against the person who used to be in charge of managing the facility's operations, Shondell Samuels. The board placed Samuels' license on probation for at least 2 years due to the following findings that happened in 2022 and early 2023, according to the case file. It says Samuels retaliated against a resident who complained to an ombudsman about conditions at the facility. Following that complaint, it says Samuels notified the resident that they would be discharged. For another resident, it says Samuels failed to protect them from abuse and neglect, citing an incident in which a nurse aide hit the resident in the face with an oxygen cord. It cited another incident in which the incontinent resident needed to be changed, but staff said that she could sit in her urine until the next shift because she had a bad attitude. The resident later developed wounds associated with moisture. Then it says Samuels failed to implement policies that could prevent abuse by allowing a nurse aide to continue working at the facility despite Samuels previously substantiating an allegation of abuse by that same employee. Additionally, it says Samuels failed to investigate and report to police an incident where a resident was found on the floor of her room with a bloody knot on her head, and she had reported that she was beaten. Samuels was terminated from Henrico Health and Rehab, which is operated by Medical Facilities of America, in January of 2023 after health inspectors cited the facility with those referenced deficiencies. During a hearing before the board last month, the case file says that Samuels accepted little responsibility in her role as administrator. Instead, it says she claimed the deficiencies were unfounded or caused by people and events outside of her control, like employee turnover. For the probationary period, Samuels is required to complete training, notify the board of all inspections at facilities where she is the administrator, and self-report employment information. A spokesperson for Henrico Health and Rehab said that since Samuel's termination, she has had no association with the nursing home or any other facility of which MFA is aware. She says, "We are proud of the team we have in place at Henrico Health and Rehabilitation Center who are fully committed to accountability and resident care." Now, I did reach Samuels by phone to ask for her side of the story, but after I stated why I was calling, the line disconnected. I'm Tyler Lane for CBS 6 News.